Hi everybody, welcome back to the HDMI-CEC info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage the Anynet Plus devices using your smart monitor. At first, go to the left to the control panel and here scroll down to the settings. Now go to all settings and now you can scroll down to the general privacy. Here scroll down to the external device manager. Here you can, as you can see, enable or disable the Anynet Plus HDMI-CEC option and use the smart monitor to remote to control external devices and listen to smart monitor sound through our soundbar receiver connected via HDMI ARC. You can disable this option or enable this option back again. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.